dough is one of those things that's just so freaking good. It's just like the vanilla creaminess of like cookie dough, just like the raw cookie dough, but these are obviously ones that you can eat raw. You guys are honestly in for a real treat. So good. Hey, this is Lindsay from Fit and Fabulous, and today I'm gonna show you how to make these yummy, delicious chocolate chip cookie dough bites. And yes, they are so easy, so delicious, and like, honestly, it tastes so freaking good because, you know what, I'm all about stuff that's super easy to make that actually tastes good. If you guys stay tuned, I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to make these yummy, delicious cookie dough bites. If you guys don't know me, my name is Lindsay, and I am from Fit and Fabulous, and this is my YouTube channel. So I make videos like this every single week. I make videos on weight loss, I do delicious recipes, I do fun reviews, I do lots of really fun things on this channel. So be sure to hit the subscribe button as well as the notifications so you guys never miss a video like this in the future. As well as if you guys do like this type of video, be sure to give me a thumbs up, and that way I know to make more videos like this in the future. Cookie dough is just one of those things that like you literally just can't resist, but you have to eat it. But you know what? These things are full of protein and they're uber good for you, and they taste so freaking good. Honestly, they're so good. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to make these bad boys right now. So the first thing you're gonna need is a mixing bowl, and the first ingredient in our chocolate chip cookie dough bites is some protein powder. So this is some LadyBoss Lean. It is an all-in-one nutritional shake mix. It's vanilla cake flavor, and it's only 100 calories per scoop. So that's why I love using LadyBoss Lean, and plus it just tastes like so freaking good. It's great for weight loss, immunity support, craving control, and digestive health. So if you guys don't have LadyBoss Lean, that's okay, just as long as you have a protein powder that is vanilla cake flavored. So in this recipe, we're gonna be using 3 scoops of the LadyBoss Lean. So the next ingredient we're gonna be using is what's called Swerve. So this is like the icing sugar version of Swerve, and you can just get this at like your local grocery store. It is 0 calories, which is great, and I just like the taste of Swerve just because it tastes more so like sugar. It's got 0 calories, obviously you can see there. It's gluten-free. It doesn't spike your blood sugar, so that's why I like to use it on a regular basis. And in this recipe, we're gonna be using a tablespoon of Swerve. Next, we're gonna be using some coconut flour. So I like to use coconut flour on a regular basis just because it is gluten-free. You can use almond flour if you want. I'm not sure if you could use regular flour in this recipe. I've never tried it. I mean, you can definitely try it out, but I do like the flavor of the coconut flour in this recipe. So we are gonna be using 4 tablespoons of coconut flour in our cookie dough bites. Next, we're gonna be using some coconut oil. So again, just regular coconut oil. We are gonna be adding 2.5 tablespoons of coconut oil to our mixing bowl. Then we're gonna be adding a little bit of water. So we're just gonna add about 3 tablespoons of water into our bowl. And of course, we're gonna add a little bit of vanilla because you can't have chocolate chip cookie dough without that really rich, like nice vanilla taste. And I love the taste of vanilla, so you guys can tell it because I just added like a little bit more to the recipe. And then of course you wanna mix that up. Now I did notice that my cookie dough was a little bit on the drier side, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of water to it. So if you guys do find that it's a little bit on the drier side, you can definitely add a little bit more water, and then it's just gonna like mix up that much better. So again, you wanna mix that all up. Next, we're gonna be adding some chocolate chips to our cookie dough because you can't have chocolate chip cookie dough without chocolate chips. So I'm just gonna pour some in there, and this is going to be about like 3 to 4 tablespoons of chocolate chips, and then you just want to mix that all up again. want to get a plate out because we are going to start rolling up our chocolate chip cookie dough bites. And now this recipe makes about 10 cookie dough bites. And voila, we have our yummy, delicious, super tasty, full of protein, crazy yummy cookie dough bites. You guys are totally gonna love these. So I hope you guys really enjoyed that video because you guys gotta make it because they are so good. So if you guys have any questions at all, let me know in the comments section down below. Also, let me know if you guys have any ideas for some new recipes because you know what? I'm always like experimenting in the kitchen and I always like to like whip up like new things, hence the YouTube videos. So yeah, if you guys have any sort of like new recipes or like new things you think I should try, totally comment them down below and I will totally try to make them. So I hope you guys have an amazing day and I can't wait to make my next video for you guys. Okay, talk to you later. Love you, bye.